no plans, just gonna fade away. Coffee's cold, the toast is burned. Life's on pause, lessons unlearned. Check my phone, not a single text. Guess I'm free from the world's complex. Dishes in the sink like a mountain high. Laundry's piled, can't even try. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Walked outside, shoes untied. No thoughts, no cares, no need to hide. Neighbors wait but don't say a word. In silence loud, I am undeterred. Back inside, no clock to chase. Every moment an empty space. No worry lines, no set of keys. Just the wind and the whispering trees. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Today is the day of zilch, my friend. No deadlines, no rules to bend. Just me, myself, and a couch to crash in a world where nothing's rash. Candy castles in the sky float by. Vanilla clouds where the sprinkles fly. Chocolate rivers, they never run dry. Sugar high, only you and I. Gummy bears dancing colored light. Cupcake mountains in the night. Marshmallow fields forever bright. We keep dreaming till it's alright. Desert dreams don't ever fade. Each bite sweeter every day. We paint our world in whipped cream shades. Together in this candy parade. Jelly bean stars twinkle into light. Licorice rolls, gratis